In Aliveforms, logic system is extremely powerful. We can even extend Aliveforms with logics. For example, we can add functionality to preserve inputs between page refreshes. We can add this functionality in Aliveforms using JavaScript logics. For this, we are going to edit the form we previously created. Let's edit the logic of the form. We need to add a JavaScript condition. And we are going to use special index all. That means logic will execute of all screens. We'll use JavaScript API. You must read about it in Aliveforms Docs. So, logic is simple. When form is loaded, load the answers. When form is submitted, clear the answers. On other screens, set the inputs. First, let's set the input. It is going to take only one line. We use setSession API to store inputs in local storage. To clear, we simply call session_remove function. To load answers, we simply load the previously stored input. If it exists, then parse it and override the inputs. Next, we edit the form. We add another screen so that before form submission, we can see last screen filled with data. Let's preview the form. Fill with data, and before submitting, if we refresh the page, our answers are still there. And if we submit the form, answers will get cleared. We highly recommend to read Aliveforms Docs for logics. They have very important information. Peace.